Hey y'all, Iric Sky here. Welcome back to my YouTube studio. Now today what I'm going to do, you can see I've got my microphone. This is where I sit for live streams. My microphone is on this microphone stand, but what I'm going to do is install this microphone arm. Now I'm using the Rode PodMic, but I'm going to show you step by step how to install this arm, and you can find it, expand this video's description, and click the link there to find where to order it online. It's super affordable, but I just want to go through the setup process step by step. So if you're looking for a desk mountable microphone arm, you may want to consider this one. And like I said, you can find it linked within this video's description. So we're taking it out of the box here. And it is worth mentioning, I've never installed one of these before, so this is my first time. Box is empty. Let's see. We're going to take everything out of the wrap here. I like the color of it. It's, I guess you'd call it like a matte black, so it's not a shiny color, which is good for, especially for video podcasts, video live streams like I do. You got this piece here. This is the desk clamp piece. It's got a substantial feel to it. Doesn't feel like it's something that will likely easily break, which is a good thing. Then you got a bag of stuff, man. Let's see what we got in here. These right here are important. It's nice and included little ties once we mount the microphone to make it look neat. And then this right here is a we'll see when we get to the installation. And then there's this piece right here, which is a different size, I guess depending upon the size of microphone you're using, but we'll get to that here in a minute too. So one other piece is this microphone holder type piece. So that's everything in the box. Now, and I typically don't, I hate reading instructions, but to make sure I do everything properly, okay, so step one, fix the microphone cantilever to the desktop. Okay, so obviously this part with the twisty piece, this little piece right here, this is going to face the ground. So we're going to figure out where we want to put it. You could do it on any side, on either side of the desk. I want to do it on this side. And I may end up moving, I use the Rodecaster Pro. I may end up relocating that. But let's get everything attached here. And you'll have to unscrew this a little bit to get it to where it's low enough, different desks or different thicknesses. So do it enough to where you can get it underneath. Perfect. And I did. And now I'm going to tighten. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And I don't want to over-tighten because I don't want to, potentially damage my desk, but I want it to be tight enough to where my microphone doesn't fall off. So you'll feel it. Let's see. May go just a little bit tighter. What I do like about this, it's kind of got a padded type piece on the top where it makes contact with your desk, which is nice because that may better protect your desk. And like I said, I don't want to go too tight. I don't want to break the desk or anything. That feels very nice. Made it just a tad more. Yeah. And I can look under there. It's got a reassuring connection. That sucker's not going anywhere. And by the way, you can find the desk like I'm using, which is fitting this perfectly. Expand this video's description and click the link there to find the desk. But this is perfect. This is going to be so much cleaner. Now it says step 2, installation of microphone. And there's another option. Let's see. So my microphone, I'm going to disconnect the audio cable. My microphone has, it's on the stand now. I'm going to screw this stand off. Okay, so now it's off of the stand. My microphone has this little piece right here. So the question will be, do I have to use this piece in conjunction with it, or is it already configured like it needs to be? So let's, for a next step, let's expand this and just take a peek. So this right here would be the piece that would screw into the microphone. Now, I'm not going to screw it in yet. Okay, and it seems like it's already the correct size, so I don't think I have to use that additional piece. So before I put the microphone on, let's go ahead and attach this to the desk. So the other piece, the black end right here, there's this little hand screw piece right here you can screw out. You can stick this in here. Okay, so that's got that in there. I'm going to slide it out just to make sure it went in deep enough. Yeah, it did. Okay, so got that there. Now I'm going to hand tighten this, which I just did, so that's nice. Now, there's this little adjustment knob here, so I can release this and position my microphone as I desire. So let's do it, and this can be tweaked, but let's do it here for now. And I'm going to put the microphone on. And before you do, especially if you're using a heavier microphone like I am, this Rode PodMic, probably want to position this like you think it's going to need to be. And then see, I can adjust the microphone here. I can point it down. This is the Rode PodMic, so I use the pieces on the side of it. So let's screw this on here. Paying attention, you know, you don't want to strip your thread, so take your time. Yep, it's screwing right in there. That's good. Keep screwing it until okay, now it's bottomed out, which is what I wanted. Now I can. Okay, that's perfect. Perfect. And if, in case you were wondering about, if you were worried about the weight that this mount can support, I mean, this is a quite heavy microphone. And I've linked the microphone like I'm using within this video's description too. But for it to be able to handle that is super nice. Now, what I want to do is have this optimally positioned. So I may do right there. See, I don't want to block the view of my face, but with these microphones, see, and now I can bring it towards me. With microphones like this, you get the best audio, the best results when it's close to your mouth. So see, now I can fine tune this to get it just like I want it, because I'll have my laptop down here for my live stream. But when I'm looking at the camera, I'll have this in front of my mouth, not in front of my face. I don't want it to block my face, but this is highly impressive. I will tell you, sometimes when you buy something like this, like a microphone desk mount that, you know, sight unseen, you're like, man, how is this gonna look? How is this gonna work? Is it going to attach to my desk securely? This has checked all the boxes, and I can take this heavy thing off of my desk now because I don't need it. It's my old traditional microphone stand, so I'll remove it. Now I've freed up my workspace on my desk for my laptop, and I don't have to bend over to speak into the microphone anymore. So I've got everything, what I feel is optimally positioned for my live streams. And let's see, yeah, this is great. So now what we're going to do, the remainder of the setup. So this piece here, this is my what's called the XLR cable that plugs into the microphone. And you don't have to use an XL. You may have a different type of microphone. My Rode PodMic uses the XLR. So this is nice. These are headphones here that had falling. Okay, so see, I can position this cable, and I may get a slightly longer XLR cable, because if I had a little bit longer one, I could better cable manage it. So I'm going to see if I've got one in my drawer. I've got a shorter one. That's really short. Yeah, that's the only thing that I want to do is to improve my setup, is to get a slightly longer XLR cable. Because see, this is, well, I don't know. See, if it was longer, I could route it along that. But what I could still do right here, I could use one of these Velcro pieces and at least tidy that up with my existing cable. These are nice. They've got a little, so you can put that there. And then you just kind of pull it tight. And then wrap around. See how nice and tidy that is? But like I said, optimally I would have a slightly longer cable so I could route it along there, but that'll get the job done. So this is a very nice desk attachable microphone stand, and it's, as you saw, it was very easy and quick and easy to set up. I've got my microphone optimally positioned for my use case, and yeah, I mean, I couldn't be happier. I mean, I use my existing XLR cable. I mean, yeah, I need to get a longer XLR cable, but that has nothing to do with this desktop microphone mount. But it looks good. Tell me what you think, and again, expand this video's description, and then click the link there to find where to order the microphone like I'm using, the microphone desk attachable arm, and then also the desk. I've linked the desk there as well. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, iRickSky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.